Hi, this is Bobby at Copel TV Repair, and this is a functionality proof video for two different boards for two different customers. They're working on the same TV. This is a board, main board, that was returned to us. It was serviced or sold, I don't know, on the 15th of April 2020, and it was returned by customers saying the TV wasn't powering on. We tested it out of the box. It worked out of the box. We sent a message to the customer. They didn't come back, and we, in an attempt to avoid keep holding the board, which is technically theirs and functional, we'll have to return it back. We decided, and we did replace, just in case, the main processor. It was working before that. It is working now as well, and we are making that video showing that it does work before we return it without having heard from the customer. And at the same time, Y-Sustain board, which is EBR75455701, just sold, and I think the customer was new, and I think it was on eBay. This board was serviced, and this serves as a functionality proof. This is the label. Today is 30th of May. So this is a functionality proof. In the usual media player, they're connected. This is our own Y main board out of this TV. And finally, this is the TV itself. Apparently, both boards are working just fine. Let me see the remote here, show you some menu. There you go, you have the menu. Inputs change. I'm not changing it, let's stay there. So that's all. Both of those boards are working, and they will go to their respective owners. It's good to know when you buy a board off eBay that it is working, because unbelievably many of them, especially if they come from chop shops, and especially if these are the ones that you only find at chop shops, like with one piece or two pieces, those will almost never work, for very, very logical reasons, of course. So that's it. Best of luck to both of you and everyone else by chance watching this.